morning, my name is Gregory with Pinnacle Sales Group. We're going to talk about filtration today. We're really going to specialize is point of use filtration for drinking water that you would have in your home. One of the most common filtration systems that people have out there are these refrigerator systems that use a carbon block or carbon bed of carbon to filter their water with. What happens with carbon blocks and filters like that is a process called channeling. The water will actually find the path of least resistance and it will make its way through that filter without all of it touching the carbon, and not all the water will be filtered. What we're also going to show today is our Everpure system. And what we do at Everpure is we actually take carbon and we grind it up into a powder called Micropure, and we actually coat this whole diaphragm with the actual Micropure, and then we squeeze the water out of this filter so that every drop actually gets filtered. So what we're going to do is a demonstration. So we've made up some green water in honor of St. Patrick's Day today, and we're going to filter through it. So basically what we did is we put some green food coloring, and then we went out and found some nice, very fine dust particles to put in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it through some of the filters you might see in your refrigerator. And what you're going to see is that some of the greens are going to start coming through, and then you'll see the browns come through there as well too, showing that it's not all getting filtered. And then we're going to run it through an Everpure system and see if we can find a difference in that. So you'll notice when it first starts coming through that it actually does look pretty clean. But again, as that channeling process starts happening, you're going to start seeing some of the greens come through there. And then also some of the dust particles to come through there at the same time too. So what we have over here is the H300 system, which is a ½ gallon a minute flow rate. We're going to send this water through here, and then we'll see if we can get a different result out of this. I'm going to filter this down about halfway and then let you guys make a decision on which water you would like to drink. So that's the water that I would want to drink out of right here. As you can see, there's a pretty big difference in using a carbon block or using the Micropure as Everpure does. Hope you found this video informative, and contact your local Everpure dealer to find out more about Everpure filtration.